Is Bitcoin able to break this major resistance level that we are looking at right now, or will we see a small pump here to the upside and getting rejected from there? So let me talk about today why I believe that the second scenario is the most likely to playing out here. And if you're new to the channel, then make sure that you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. And of course, let's get directly into it here, guys. And first of all, I want to say thank you to all these new subscribers that I got in the last 2 days. Amazing that you are here. I'm really glad that the channel is growing, so let's keep this up and get in the comment section and let me know what you think about today's video. So, and now here on the 1 hourly chart for Bitcoin, we have a scenario, really interesting scenario, where we see that the Bitcoin price is trying to break into this big resistance area that comes from $16,600 all the way up to $16,750. So, and why do I believe that we are not able to break that? So let's get this straight out of the way. So when we look a little bit back here, then we can see when we were breaking down here that we came back up, we retested the top section of that, got rejected, went down, came up again here 2 times, and then saw a small fake out here above that level, came back down into this range, were going sideways here, got again another fake out all the way up here, went then massively to the downside because of the FTX situation, and then we're trading up here in this rising wedge all the way back up to this resistance area, again saw a fake out, came back under this resistance area, and since then we are trading beneath this. So why do I believe that we could see here another attempt to break this, and the way I see it, to see another rejection from there and then actually go way lower than we went before, and also what levels I'm looking at. We definitely gonna talk about this, so stick around here definitely until the end, guys. I believe that we will go that low, not based here on this 1 hourly chart, because when we look on the EMA ribbons as an example, there we are trading right now above the EMA ribbons, which would be technically bullish. So, but we also see that they are contracting here and not unfolding, for example, in a section like here. So they stay contracted, which shows weakness for the price to go here higher to the upside, and we kind of get squeezed in this section here between this resistance level and the EMA ribbons. So, and normally when we see something like this, this is not playing out really well for the Bitcoin price to break here into higher levels. Could we take here a short scalp? Yes, we could, because like I said, I believe that we will test the upper end here again with a potential fake out. So, but would I do that? No. So what I am betting on, like I said, is that we go up here, get rejected from there, and that will give us a really nice short entry to the downside, and that is a scenario that I'm looking at right now. So, but what would be the price levels to the downside that we should pay attention to? So when I take here the swing low and the swing high, then for Bitcoin we are looking at the golden ratio, at least the 0.618, the $16,450 level approximately. So, but I believe that we will go even lower and potentially all the way down to the 1.618, 1.65 golden ratio. That is where my short target is right now, and let me show you why I believe that we go that low. So when we are looking here on the 4 hourly chart, also here we are sitting right now above the EMA ribbon. So, but here you can clearly see we always get rejected from this lower resistance level, and also we can make out a small trend here where we create lower highs along this line and are not able to break this lower high structure. So here the stochastic RSI is also slightly rolling over, which is also again a sign of weakness in the Bitcoin price, that we most likely see a rollover here and go actually then here lower once again, when we have a look on the daily chart, here comes actually the key and why we potentially might go into lower price levels here once again, is that the stochastic RSI is about to give us a sell signal. So the MACD has crossed bullish, but as I mentioned the last two videos already, I believe that we're gonna roll over here, get into another bearish phase, and that will coincide with the sell signal that we will get on the stochastic RSI today. And we are also for quite a while trading here in this range and could not manage to break this level here, $16,760 approximately. So, and because we are not able to break it, the least way of resistance will be back to the downside, all the way back into this major support area that we have from $15,450 all the way up to $16,200. And that's more or less where we will head into in the next coming days, based on the analysis that I just have given you guys. So, and guys, don't forget, if you want to trade this with me together, go to BYBIT, sign up there, claim your $30,000 free and bonuses only with that specific link here under the video in the description or in the pin comment below. And also Bitget has right now a $20,000 bonus and a sign up bonus of $15, no KYC, no VPN needed, also in the US if you sign up with my specific link here. So definitely take advantage of that. I also want to talk really quick about Ethereum, because on Ethereum we can also see that the Ethereum chart is on the 4-hourly on the stochastic RSI already also here in overbought conditions, and that most likely we will not leave the range that we are trading in right now of 1,200 all the way up to $1,240. Also here, I believe we could come up here to test the upper end and then roll over and go here to the downside, break this, most likely retest this downward sloping support line that we have right now that was prior resistance. So, and now I'm gonna show you something, because this is more or less coinciding also here again with the swing low and swing high structure on the Fibonacci retracement levels. So look where we are price wise, 1,127, 1,132. So if we roll over here in the next coming hours, that could be our price target also on Ethereum. If you want to short this, then also again on BYBIT and Bitget would be the best place to do so. So you see, unfortunately, I have not so bullish news for you guys, even though we have still on the weekly chart the hidden bullish divergence. But as I also mentioned multiple times now already, this will not play out tomorrow. This will take some time before we see this unfolding. So, and unfortunately for the next coming days, I definitely see here more downside in Bitcoin and Ethereum. So here, my take profit point would be definitely down here, and my entry would be closer to 1,240, 1,230, in that kind of range would be my entry level for Ethereum to short this all the way to the downside. Guys, that's it for today's video already. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you think that this is a viable scenario. I believe it's highly likely that we're gonna see this. Don't forget to smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.